In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram carousel post on your mobile phone, and we're going to make it for entirely free. Hey guys, it's Ola from Income Ola, and today I'm going to show you how to create a carousel post on Instagram from your mobile phone. So what is carousel post? It's just a little set of posts that combine together in one post. I hope I explained it right. And you can slide between them. So you see the first post on Instagram, and then you can slide to the right and see more pictures, elements, text, and more. So there's two reasons to make Instagram carousel posts over regular posts. The first reason is that Instagram carousel post provides so much more value you cannot squeeze in one post. More pictures, more elements, more design, more text, and so much more. You can give 10 times more to your visitor, to your viewer. The second reason why you should make Instagram carousel posts is because there are studies that shows that Instagram carousel posts are more engaging than regular posts and pictures. So if this reason is not good enough for you, I don't know how to convince you even more. So now I'm going to show you how to create your Instagram carousel post for entirely free from your mobile. For this, we're going to use a free website called Canva. You can grab a link for Canva in the description of this video and start using Canva for free. You also can try pro version for 30 days free trial. And from my experience, you're going to fall in love with Canva Pro, and you probably will not be able to go back to the free version. But of course, it's your choice. Just go sign up for Canva if you still don't have an account, and let's grab my phone and start. So after you sign up for Canva, download the free app for your phone. This is your Canva interface. Click on this plus and then click on custom size. And now you have to choose how many pieces of your post you want to create. So you have to multiply 1080 by the number of the pieces you want to create. You can create up to 10 pieces or 10 posts. So let's say I decided to create 5 pieces of my post. So let's multiply 1080 by 5, and we have 5,400. So let's click 5,400, and the height is gonna be 1080. Make sure it's pixels and click on create new design. So you have all these templates, amazing templates. Most of them are free. We are going to create our template from scratch, so just start designing. So first let's do our background. That's how I starting. You have different backgrounds you can choose from. You also can go to photos and choose from photos. So you'll see my recent one I used, and in photos you can look for marble or something else, and here you have marble. Very nice. So let's choose this marble. Let's expand it and expand it more, and here it is. So this is our canvas. So I couldn't find in any place how to add rulers in Canva mobile app. If you know how to do that, please comment below this video in the comments. I'll be happy to learn something new. But we can do something else. Right now we can click on those 3 dots and we can show margins. Check this box. So you see that we have those little margins around, and you have to make sure that your text is going to be inside those, so we know everybody will see our text. And now we're just going to split this carousel to 5, trying our best to design it, to know how to split it. So let's just take a line, click on plus, on the bottom side click on elements, and just choose this line. Let's rotate the line. So if you have a laptop and you can make this design in laptop, I have another video that will show you how to make Canva carousel on desktop, and then you have rulers and you know exactly how to split it to 5. So first we have background. Now let's continue with the text. Click on plus and let's slide our menu to text, add heading, and let's move this heading to here, to our first page. And to type inside, just double click on it and start typing how. So now let's add another heading, plus, add heading. So let's duplicate our text, click on the headline, click on duplicate, and let's move this one here. And little text, the body text, we're also going to duplicate and move it here. And let's say the second step is going to be let's duplicate this, and it's just an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna duplicate my heading, duplicate, and I take it to the last page because it's going to be my call to action. So let's zoom in, follow me for more. You can make your call to action asking a question and let them comment, or you can ask them for another engagement. You can push your course, your service, your digital product. You can promote your website or your other social media. Whatever call to action you have, make sure to put it in the last section, in the last piece. And we're done with the text. Now let's add elements. Click on plus, and here in the bottom menu let's choose elements. Now let's tap laptop, choose whenever a laptop you think will work for you. Let's do filter and choose free, apply filters, and now you'll see only the free laptops. So let's just choose this one, looks pretty good, and let's move it here, and let's just put it between the posts. And let's change the color to pinkish. Now let's go to plus and let's type notebook. Notebook. This one is free. Let's choose this one. Let's put it here. So you understand the point. Let's add some heart. And you just add those little elements until you're satisfied. Now let's add some shapes maybe. Let's go out of heart and let's go to elements, shapes, see all. You see all these little shapes. You also can type gradient. And you'll find different shapes in here too. Let's say this one is cute. Where is it? Here. And you just move it. And you can change your colors to something that work for you. Like this. Let's duplicate it and do another one in here. So just make your design your own. In the end, I like to add my picture. Click on plus, go to uploads, and choose one of your pictures you uploaded. If you don't know how to upload, you click on upload media here, and you choose from your photo library, take photo or video. And if you don't have a picture without background, you have to go to free website like Remove BG background, or you have Lunapic. You have different websites that you can remove your background. Or if you have Canva Pro, you can remove your background with just one click. So I already removed my background and click on this picture. I add myself here. And voila, my post is ready. So only 3 steps left: download it, split it, and upload it to your Instagram. Let's download it on this arrow. Now let's find Pine Tools. Click on pinetools.com, click on these 3 lines in the menu and search for image split. Click on this green split image. And now let's choose our file. Here it is. Click on choose. Now let's scroll down and choose horizontally. Choose 5 pieces, the number of pieces that we need. Then go down and click on PNG. Choose PNG and click on split image. And now it's splitted. You have 5 pieces and you have to download them individually. So click on first one, download, second one, download, third one, download, fourth one, download, and the 5th one, download. Now I don't know how in your case, but in my case I have to go to my files and save it to my pictures. So I'll just go to my files. You have it on every iPhone, and I have to save those to my pictures. So row 1, click here, click on save image, done. Second one here, that arrow, save image, done. So now the last step is to upload my post to Instagram. So let's go to my Instagram, click on the plus button, and then click on select multiple. And now you can select multiple. So this is the first one, second, third, fourth, and 5th. Now click on next, and you can look, it looks just amazing. Oh, I forgot to remove the lines. Just remove those little lines before you download. So click on next and just upload post as you know, write a caption and then click OK and just upload your post. So that's how you create an Instagram carousel post on your mobile for entirely free with Canva. On desktop you have more customization, and also it's easier to work with desktop, with Canva on desktop. So if you want to watch the video how to create Canva Instagram carousel post on desktop from your PC, watch this video. And also you can watch other videos on Canva. I have many tutorials on how to create thumbnails, channel art, and so much more. Make sure to subscribe to this channel not to miss my future videos about designing and all around your online business. And I'll see you there. Bye bye, creator.